Friedreich's ataxia. Introduction. If nerves become damaged, they cannot send and receive messages well. Select true or false. Correct. If nerves become damaged, they cannot send and receive messages well. This can cause problems with movement and sensation. FA gets worse over time. Select true or false. Correct. FA causes nervous system damage and movement problems. The disease gets worse over time. Lynn's daughter Kate is 12 years old. Kate has been having muscle weakness and difficulty keeping her balance when walking. Her eyes also move involuntarily. Should Lynn contact her daughter's healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Muscle weakness, difficulty walking, and involuntary eye movements may be signs of a problem. Lynn should contact her daughter's healthcare provider. Is FA contagious? Select yes or no. Correct. FA is not contagious. It is genetic and passed from parents to children through defective genes. Can the symptoms of FA be treated? Select yes or no. Correct. FA cannot be cured, but treatments can help relieve some of the symptoms caused by the disease. Thank you for using Explain.